The VACC team will be at the Australian Auto Aftermarket Expo to demonstrate all the benefits and services available with a VACC membership. Come along and find us at stand H50 and ask us how VACC membership puts money in your pocket.
This edition of Tech Tips proudly brought to you by the new Our Auto diagnostic tool, the essential Motortech companion.
The Australian Auto Aftermarket Expo is Australasia's largest auto industry event. Across 3 days from Thursday the 11th to Saturday the 13th of April 2024, the Expo showcases the latest vehicle repair, servicing, equipment, tools, parts and automotive information systems, such as VACC Motortech and Our Auto diagnostic tools and accessories. Our team of experts will showcase VACC Motortech, answer your questions and show you how to unlock the full potential of a Motortech subscription, allowing you to fix more cars faster. Don't miss our live demonstrations of our passenger and commercial diagnostic tools, which complement a Motortech subscription seamlessly. Come see us at stand H50 to learn more about our range of exclusive member benefits and services. As a VACC member, you'll have access to carefully selected offers from trusted partners, including subsidised pricing on VACC Motortech, preferential rates on banking merchant fees, energy savings, insurance and much more. Some of these savings have the potential to offset the cost of your VACC membership. To register for the 2024 Automotive Aftermarket Association Expo, use the link in the description below and we look forward to seeing you there.